Now the world economic growth is fraught with uncertainty. Faced with such a challenge, it is important to choose a reliable supplier. Tongsanhegu Company is the best of the best in plastic machine manufacturers. Compared with others, the great strength of our company lies in high-quality machine, all-around service, and worldwide sales network. Tongsanhegu Company is a professional manufacturer and exporter of plastic machine. We have exported the machine to more than 70 countries. Our advantage product, including PP-PC, corrugated hollow sheet production line, PP-PE, single wall corrugated pipe production line, PP-PE, PVC plastic pipe production line, PE-PP, PVC ABS PS sheet production line, and PP-PE, PVC ABS PS recycled plastic granulating production line. We can provide the turnkey project of WPC production line, including wood powder milling machine, high-speed mixer unit, wood and recycled plastic composite WPC granule production line, PE PVC profile production line with WPC profile, embossing, brushing, sanding machine, PVC furniture board production line, PVC WPC door panel production line. Customers and staff are the most important asset of Tongsanhegu Company. Sharing the benefits with the customers and staff is our fundamental. Condense the willing and strength of all the staff. Condense the resources. Condense the relations between staff and company. Condense the relations between customer and company. Quality is Tongsanhegu promise. Reputation is Tongsanhegu character. And innovation is Tongsanhegu pursuit. We will always try our best to provide the high-quality machine and perfect service to all customers.